Welcome to Vision of Life channel. We assure you that your life will change drastically by listening to new ideas and principles tested by well known personalities. Goals, written by author Brian Tracy. The author started his career as a dishwasher, followed by car washing. He worked in sawmills, construction sites, to door sales, then to top management consultant, trainer, and speaker in the world. He addresses more than 250,000 people worldwide every year. Also served as a trainer for more than 1,000 corporates like IBM, HP, Ford, Xerox, and many more. He is the author of 50 books which are translated in 38 languages. This book is for ambitious people who want to get ahead faster. The idea given in this book will save your hard work in achieving your goals that are more important to you. Many university graduates have told him that this concept of goal achieving is more valuable to them than 4 years of study. This idea has changed the author's life and the lives of millions of other people. Earl Nightingale once wrote, "Happiness is the progressive realization of a worthy idea or goal." You feel truly happy when you are making progress, step by step, towards something that is important to you. Goals give you that sense of meaning and purpose, a clear sense of direction. As you move towards your goals, you feel happier and stronger. You feel more competent and confident in yourself and your abilities. Reason why some people don't set goals. They think goals are not important, as people may grow among those with no goals. Considering wishes like be happy or make a lot of money keep some people away from setting their goals. People don't get goals because of fear of failure, as failure hurts, fear of rejection or criticism. Harvard's study shows that only 3% of graduates who had clear written goals when they left Harvard were earning on average 10 times as much as other 97% of graduates. You should develop laser like focus so that you are always thinking and talking about what you want rather than what you don't want. There is no area of life where self discipline is more important than in setting goals and working towards them every day. Steps to set and achieve goals. Have a desire. The starting point of goal achievement in every area, including money, health, family, and profession, is desire. You must have intense, burning desire for your particular goal. This desire must be personal, something that you want for yourself. Believe. You must believe that it is possible for you. Your beliefs become your realities. You must be sure that your goals are believable, achievable, realistic, and aligner with your true value. Good beliefs are life enhancing, and bad beliefs are happiness destroying. Beliefs have been shaped and formed by our early childhood, friends, associates, education, culture, and many more factors. Overcoming self limiting beliefs and self imposing limitations is the biggest obstacle standing between you and your realization of full potential. Self limiting beliefs, sometimes based on a single experience or casual remarks, can hold you back for years. We suddenly realize that our limiting ideas are about ourself in that area was not based on the fact at all. Our beliefs are acquired and not inborn. So we can unlearn limiting beliefs and learn helpful. If you absolutely believe that you are destined to be a great success, you will walk, talk, and act as if everything happens to you in life is part of a great plan to make you successful. Write them down. Clarify your goals on paper. The goal that is not in return is not a goal at all. Author recommends that you write and rewrite your goals every day, day after day, week after week, and month after month. This programs them deep into your subconscious mind where they take on a life and power of their own. Determine your personal, professional, family, financial, health, education goals for short and long term. Analyze your starting point. When you access your situation by analyzing your starting point, this enables you to set goals that are believable and achievable rather than setting goals that may be unattainable and self defeating. This becomes the starting point. When you are both clear and honest about your current situation, it becomes easier to move ahead and change it. Determine why you want it. The step is for you to decide why you want a particular goal in the first place. Make a list of all the ways that you will personally benefit by achieving that goal. The more reasons you have for the wanting to achieve your goal, the more intense will be your desire. Reasons are the fuel in the furnace of achievement. The more reasons you can think of, the more intense will be your desire. Each person has within him or her special brain organ called the reticular cortex. When you send goal message to it, it starts to make you intensely aware of and alert to people, information and opportunities in your environment that will help you to achieve your goal. Set a deadline. Based on your current situation, you can set realistic long-term date for each of your goals. A goal without a deadline is largely a waste of time. Identify the obstacles in the way. Determine the obstacles or difficulties that stand in your way and hold from achieving your goals. Look into yourself. Is there anything in your belief, ideas, attitudes that may be standing in your way? Successful people think about solutions most of the time. The comfort zone is a major obstacle to ambition, desire, determination, and accomplishment. Determine the additional knowledge and skill you need. What additional knowledge will you have to acquire to achieve your goals? Prepare plan to acquire this knowledge to develop these skills. Determine the people whose help you will need. Identify the people in your work life who can help you and whom you can help in return. Make a plan. You have now determined what you want, where you are starting from, where you are achieving each of your goals. You may not able to achieve the goal at once, but you can take first step which will make everything else possible. Visualize your goal continually. You have to see it before you achieve it. Get one board, keep where you can see regularly and paste cutouts which you see yourself on achievement of the goals. Pictures like car, home, vacation, life partner, fitness, jewelry that you like to have. Imagine how you would feel living in that particular house or on a vacation. By this, you program your goals deeper and deeper into your subconscious, and powerful force motivates and inspires you day and night. Never give up. This form of mental preparation will encourage overcoming many setbacks and disappointments on the way to your goals. Thus, the author Brian Tracy elaborates the principles given in this book, which will help you to develop the most important quality for lifelong success, that is the habit to take action on your plans, goals, ideas and insights. You can enjoy extraordinary life and nothing can stop you now.